It's time to talk about how a website should be properly structured. Your domain name, your home page. This will be referred to as page 1 for the purpose of this demonstration. And your pages. Your page tabs that I showed you. These will be referred to as Tier 2. Now your blog posts will be known as Tier 3. Now imagine your website like it's a store. Let's say you run the website clothing.com. Your page tabs or your categories may be men's clothes, ladies' clothes, and kids' clothes. Then you would have another section, pants and shoes. These would be men's pants and shoes, ladies' pants and shoes, and kids' pants and shoes. These blog posts would point to the web pages that they're related to. And all of your web pages point directly back to your home page. This is done through anchor tags, and I'll get into that in a future video. In this video, I'm actually going to add a home page to this website. So let's log into our dashboard. Let's go to our pages. And let's open up that page. And this time we're going to be on visual, not text, but visual. What I always do is write up my blog posts and my web pages first on a WordPad document. So let's pick all of this up, copy it, take it back to your editor, and paste it. Now from here I always highlight everything in here again, and I change this to font size number 4, and I change the color to black. This makes it a lot easier to read, and I see a spelling mistake already. Now the keyword that I'm going to dominate for, remember I told you it's going to be an easy one for the sake of ease and timing. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to add it to the SEO presser, and that is the keyword that I'm going to rank on the front page of Google for. Now what I always do with the first one here is add a space, highlight it, change it to font size 3, and this is going to be our heading number 1. And I delete that space, and let's update it. Now let's take a look at it. Pretty much blank. Alright, now let's go down to the bottom. And this right here, I change it to font size number 2. And I put an anchor tag, and I link it right back to the home page. So this is going to be pointing to johnjarvis.ca. And for the title of this link, how to set up your own website and dominate the search engines. Now most of the time when I do this, I always open link in a new window tab, so I'm going to do that. Now let's find our other headings. I always have 3 headings. I see this one right here, so I space it, I center it, I change this to heading 2, and I make it bold. And you're going to find that WordPress is a very buggy system, but for the price, free. And here's the 3rd heading. I center it, change it to heading 3, and bold. Now let's preview changes. Update it. Now I need to add some images. Now if this weren't my home page, the actual title of this page would be how to set up your own website and dominate the search engines. But this is the home page, so I'm going to leave it at this. So I'm going to place my cursor right here and hit enter once and place some X's. I'm going to highlight those X's. I'm going to add media. I'm going to upload files. I'm going to select. And internet marketing success is always about branding you and your business. I'm a Google author, so I always use this image on almost every page and post. Now for the title, I'm going to put John Jarvis on, and then my keyword phrase. My alt text, same thing. Description, on this one, same thing. Caption, Internet Marketer John Jarvis, and this image I'm going to leave on the left. Insert into page. Now let's update it, and let's take a look at it. Always check, because like I say, WordPress is a very buggy system, and it looks pretty good. Now I need to add an image down here at the bottom. P.S. If you would like to take a closer look at this Internet Marketing Toolkit, click the image below. What this is doing is building my list. So let's come back here. Let's find the X's. And let's give this a space here. And let's center this. And I need to find an image that's going to represent this toolkit. So I need to add media again. Upload files. Select. This one works. And for the title for this one, I'm going to use the keyword phrase that I'm trying to go after and alt text. And for the description, I'm just going to put image 4. Image for how to set up your own website and dominate the search engines. And I'm going to leave it in the center. Full size, insert into page. Now let's take a peek at it. Now I need to put an anchor tag, a link that leads people when they click on it, instead of taking them to this image, it needs to take them to a page that I set up before that describes what this toolkit is all about. So to do that, I click here. Okay, and the link that I want to send people to is right here. So I copy this. I take it back, I hit this anchor link, and I place that link right there. Title, again, how to set up your own website and dominate search engines. I just have to keep my eye on the keyword density and make sure that never gets over 2%. Open link in new window, update. Now let's update this just to make sure we're not over the 2% keyword density level. Nope, still good. Alright, let's take a look at this. Okay, if I click on this image, it leads to the web page. So this is working good. Now, all I really need to do here is add a video. And which video I add, I'm not sure yet. But notice right here in this web page, on this web page, right here it says I have a great training course that you may want to take a look at. If any of the above interests you, click here. So I need to change this link take people to this website, and this is my sales page for the course that I'm starting next week. And anyone that buys this course is also going to get all of these videos plus more, and they're going to get the inner circle training actually. And some of you watching this video that don't just happen to find it on YouTube or someplace are going to see everything happen here. Let's find that where it says click here. Click on the little chain link, this right here, and this I'm going to call it the keyword that I was going after in my course before. Where to get products to sell online. That's going to give me a great backlink from another website. Open link in new tab, add link, and I always change the color of this to a darker blue because blue is the color of click here, and I bold it. Preview this. And that works good. So all I need to do is add the video in it. I might actually do that right during the course and show students exactly how to dominate the search engines within a couple of days. One thing I need to do though is I need to set up the all-in-one SEO pack right here. So title, how to set up your own website and dominate the search engines. I need to add my description. Learn how to set up your own website and dominate the search engines. What do you need to start a website? It's all on this website. And keywords, comma separated. That's going to be the keywords that are over here. How to set up your own I made a mistake there for sure. How to set up your own website. My name, how to dominate the search engines. How to set up a blog on your own website, what do you need to start a website, and search engine optimization pricing, because these are all related. So copy, back here, paste the proper keywords in here without the spelling mistakes. I come back here, I update it, and that's it. In my live classes, I'm going to show people what to do with all of these videos that I'm giving them. So I hope to see some of you then. Bye bye.